Hi guys and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video, we are going to talk about 4 topics all related to bathrooms. We are going to start with inspiring bathroom designs, then small bathroom inspiration followed by vanity and bathroom inspiration, and finally bathroom decor inspirations. So let's get started.
Whether gutting a compact space or planning a luxurious retreat, the right bathroom inspiration can elevate your experience. The latest bathroom trends focuses on creating a serene spa with soft muted colors and natural textures. Incorporate elements like pebble tiles and bamboo accents to bring nature indoors. Jazz it all up with dimmable or colorful lighting for an ultimately escapist, soothing ambience. Design a sleek, modern bathroom layout with clean lines, minimalist decor, and monochromatic colors. Install wall-mounted fixtures and floating vanities for a streamlined look. Smart bathroom technology, like digital shower controls, will further promote your convenience and add a powerful futuristic touch. Opt for large format tiles to minimize grout lines and enhance the modern aesthetic. Mix old world charm with modern functionality for a unique twist that breathes life into your bathroom. Incorporate classic elements like clawfoot tubs, vintage tiles, polished fixtures, and wall sconces to create a timeless elegance. Meanwhile, contemporary amenities like efficient plumbing and modern lighting will ensure comfort and convenience. Use a contemporary color scheme for walls and textiles to seamlessly convey a modern aesthetic, achieving a balanced and cohesive look.
Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Choose high quality fixtures with minimalist designs to convey a lasting luxury in a subtle manner. Go for sleek lines and fancy materials such as brushed nickel or matte black that speak volumes through their simplicity and grace. In addition to a vogue appeal, these fixtures should stand the test of time, making them a worthy investment in the long run. Look for fixtures with water-saving technology to blend opulence with sustainability. Quiet luxury is the new black. That means you can still make an impression with luxurious touches like marble countertops or ornate mirrors. Just don't go all in. Embrace understated elegance and opt for soft, muted marble tones that offer opulence without overpowering the space. In addition, invest in extra functional amenities such as floor heating or anti-fog mirror and rain massage shower heads. Choose honed marble or travertine for a matte finish that feels both luxurious and contemporary organic.
When remodeling a tiny space, every detail counts and creativity shines.
Maximize space in small bathrooms with clever storage solutions like over-the-toilet cabinets or recessed shelving. Utilize vertical areas with tall, narrow storage units. And if you need to create an extra illusion of spaciousness, consider mirrored cabinet doors instead of solid wooden ones. Tall mirrors will reflect light, brightening the room while enhancing its overall functionality at the same time. Use drawer dividers and organizers to keep small items and make maintenance easy. Rethink the layout to make the most of a small bathroom based on your personal user experience. Evaluate what you require and what might be obsolete. For instance, consider a floating freestanding corner sink or a compact wall-mounted toilet to save space, or replace a large shower tray with a custom walk-in enclosure. Putting the bathtub in the shower stall is a great way to have both features when short on space. Contrary to popular opinion, bold wallpaper or pattern tiles can make a positive impact on small spaces, adding a lot of character. Use accent wallpaper to create a focal point or layer pattern tiles on the floor as a visual centerpiece. Mixing and matching different tile shapes can also add interest, so feel free to experiment. Lay tiles diagonally to make the floor appear larger. Small bathroom inspo is all about smart use of space. Remember, you have to put corners into functional use. Transform them with corner sinks, cabinets with rotating units, or custom shelving. Fill the shelves with designated boxes and baskets that take both aesthetic and functional roles. Choose corner cabinets or shelves with pull-out or rotating mechanisms for easy access to items stored at the back. You'll be surprised to find out how many knickknacks those can conceal. Employ tried and tested tricks to create the illusion of more space. Glass shower doors and pedestal sinks, for example, have the power to open up the area nicely. Strategic lighting, such as backlit mirrors, can also enhance the sense of space. Create an airy feel with pastel or light earthy colors, mirrors, and ample layered lighting.
Discover a world of elegant and functional designs that can transform your bathroom.
Design custom vanities and cabinets that fit your space and style perfectly. It's a great way to personalize your bathroom, from unconventional shapes to tailored storage solutions. The options are limitless, so work with a designer to create a piece that fits your needs and style preferences. Incorporate a built-in makeup vanity or grooming station for added functionality. Create a rustic organic haven with natural wood, stone elements, and a warm earthy color palette. Use reclaimed wood for vanities or shelves and complete them with stone basins for an earthy feel. Wrought iron hardware and curated decor pieces can also add to the rustic charm. Combine this look with an expensive shower system for a multi-sensory affair. Opt for a floating vanity to create a sense of openness. This style is especially effective in modern and minimalist bathrooms. Keep the overall flow streamlined and prioritize sleek, handleless designs for a cleaner look. Install sensor-activated under vanity lighting for a dapper yet practical ambient glow. Infuse distinct character into your sustainable bathroom inspiration and give new life to a traditional vanity. Refurbish a classic model with ornate lines and antique finishes, or even repurpose an old dresser. Pair with a traditional basin and brass fittings for a timeless look, or give it a fancy twist with a colored glass vessel sink. Add a vintage mirror with a decorative frame to complete the theme. Inject life into your bathroom with vibrant colors. Consider incorporating flamboyant vanity and cabinets for a striking visual impact. If going for a total makeover, dare to complement them boldly with a statement wall in a bright hue, a colorful backsplash, and vibrant tiles. Use a high-quality moisture-resistant paint to ensure longevity in a humid bathroom environment.
Explore stylish and creative decorating ideas that will bring charm, character, and functionality to your bathroom's ambience.
Choose a theme and accessorize your bathroom around it. A consistent theme can pull the room together sophisticatedly, be it nautical, bohemian, or minimalist. Coordinate colors, patterns, and decor elements to reinforce the entire composition. Avoid overdoing the theme to maintain a designed appeal. Express your style with curated art. Framed prints, striking sculptures, or hand-painted tiles can convey a striking visual asset into your bathroom. Opt for one-statement wall art piece or mix-and-match styles for a profoundly personalized look. Use waterproof frames or laminates to protect artwork from moisture. Embrace boldness with vibrant colors and eclectic patterns. Think deep blues or emerald greens paired with geometric or floral tiles. Chintz wallpaper or statement art pieces effortlessly create captivating, chic focal points. In addition, mix and match textures with towels, rugs, and window treatments. Employ high gloss finishes for bathroom walls to reflect light and add depth. Bring the outdoors inside with foliage and nature-inspired decor. Use living or faux plants and green accents to create a refreshing and calming environment. Earthy tones and an organic background can enhance the natural feel further. Opt for humidity-loving plants for a greener, healthier bathroom. Add a touch of luxury with plush towels, elegant soap dispensers, and chic bath mats. Metallic accents like gold or brass can instantly elevate the space. Top it up with scented candles and a vase of flowers to underline the cozy yet opulent bathroom atmosphere. Invest in high quality, ultra soft towels and bathrobes for a 5-star experience.
This is it for this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.